In this video, we are going to understand merging, joining, and concatenating operation of table using pandas. So first, I'm going to import pandas as PD. Okay, and now I'm going to create three DF, or that means data frame. The first data frame is, you can see A is a key, and we have a lot of data inside it. B as a key, and we have a lot of data inside it. So this is one table, and we have given the index as 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this table has been created. Suppose I want to see this table, I can check like this df1. So you can see the beautiful representation of this table. So A will be having 4 values, B will be having 4 values, and the index is already been defined over here. Okay, great. Similarly, I'm going to create for df2 also. I'm going to create for df3. Let's see how this three of the table look like. So df1, df2, df3. A beautiful representation of three of the table. So ABCD is on column side. We have 0, 1, 2, 3 for the index for the first one. The second one index is 4, 5, 6, 7. The third one index is 8, 9, 11, 10, 11. Okay. Now I can concatenate, that means join this three table. Okay, using concat as a keyword. So when I do that, A, B, C, D, you can see over here. The index of this is for df1, this is for df2, very beautiful, and this is for table number 3. So all the table are basically concatenation has been already occurred. Now the merging of the table. Suppose I'm creating two different data frame again. One is called left and the second one is called right. These are the key which I'm going to use K1, K0, K1, K2, K3, and these are the value for A and B. Again, I'm going to use a key as the similar key which I use for left, and I'm going to use the same key for right. Okay, and C and D are the different value. Here A and B is two different values. So I'm going to run this, and let's see how left look like, and this is the right table. So on the left side we have 0, K0, 1, 2, 3, and here also we have K0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to merge these two table. So I'm going to use an inner merge left, right, and when I do this, the key will be common and ABCD will come together very nicely. Suppose I use left over here, and if I use right on this side, right, GST right on this side, the table, the right one come first and the left one come later on. Now I'm again using the same table left and right, and now I'm going to use a join method for this. Okay, now if you observe carefully, there's A and B, but the index is K0, K0, K1, K0, K1 and K2, and here K0, K2 and K3, two different index are there. So when I use for live left joining, so on the left side is going to get joined with the right, left join right. Okay, this left joins right. If the data is not matching, it will going to give, it will not going to show that inside this. Now again, if I use right join left, okay, so the data which is missing, like for this, the K3 was missing, K3 was not there in left, and here K1 was not there in right. A very beautiful way of understanding how to join or merge or concatenate tables in the pandas.